Best foods to battle a chilly or flu. Eco-friendly tea. Probably the most interesting health advantages of eco-friendly teas are its potential capability to assist in preventing flu and also the common cold. Catechins, exactly the same compounds that handle eco-friendly tea's weight reduction promoting qualities, happen to be proven to hinder the game from the common cold adenovirus in addition to certain influenza infections. To maximize the discharge of catechins, choose loose tea leaves rather of tea bags and allow the tea steep for 5 minutes. You may even wish to add a little bit of fresh lemon juice or any other vitamin C wealthy juice for your tea. Research signifies that vitamin C can combine catechins open to your body. Onions. This versatile culinary plant can offer a genuine health boost to anybody and also to reduce the likelihood of catching a chilly or flu. Onions are among the best natural causes of quercetin, a bioflavonoid which has proven promising possibility of suppressing the rhinoviruses what are underlying reason for the most popular cold. Being an additional bonus, the onion tops their email list of vegetables which are least prone to contain quite a lot of pesticides along with other dangerous chemicals. Ginger. This person in the Zingiberaceae plant family has been used both like a culinary plant so that as medicines for centuries. It's blueberry renowned for its cold and flu treating forces. It stimulates circulation helping keep your sinuses and lung area clear of mucus. Ginger could be stewed in boiling water to create ginger tea, or to use it to flavor an array of foods, including stir-fries, curries, fish, chicken, and meat. Natural yogurt. Yogurt that contains live cultures of probiotic bacteria has long been used as a folk remedy to deal with an array of ailments. Now newer and more effective studies suggest the probiotic bacteria in yogurt can also be good at stopping respiratory system infections like the common cold. Regular consumption of certain probiotic bacteria has additionally been proven to reduce the duration and the seriousness of common cold symptoms. Growing your consumption of probiotic bacteria is especially important for those who have lately been taking an antibiotic medication, as antibiotics are recognized to destroy the healthy flora within the intestines. Cinnamon. Cinnamon includes a lengthy history. Since ancient times, it's been used as a spice in addition to a medicine, and also at some point it had been considered more precious than gold. In traditional Chinese and Indian medicine, cinnamon can be used to deal with common colds and flu. To your use of this aromatic anti-cold and anti-flu food, combine it with your whole wheat toast, coffee, or tea.